In a surprising move, the UN Citizenship and Immigration Services has shut down its Citizenship and Immigration Service Ombudsman office, an essential support hub that handled over 30,000 immigration requests last year. This office was a lifeline for H-1B visa holders, green card applicants and international students, helping them fix delayed applications, errors, correct typos on official documents and resolve mailing errors. Its closure now raises serious concerns about transparency and accountability in the US immigration process. Immigration lawyers say this will disproportionately affect skilled workers and students. One notable case, an engineer had his H-1B extension delayed for 11 months. It got approved just 2 weeks after Ombudsman stepped in. The office also played a major role in handling optional practical training issues for international students, fixing what would have been career-ending mistakes for many. Now with this shutdown, tens of thousands of immigrants may have no direct route for resolving USCIS errors, a move critics say will only deepen backlogs and bureaucratic nightmares.